So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about top two stocks that we can buy right now. So what are those two stocks? So first we'll discuss the complete fundamental details, and after that we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So since few days we know market was in little bearish mode, especially considering all the small caps and mid caps. So many people had questions related to the new stocks that we can buy at the current levels. So because all the stocks have almost corrected 30 to 40% and few are present at a very good support regions. So we'll discuss all the stocks names, so make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the first stock that we're going to discuss today, it is Apollo Pipes. So I think many people have heard about it, and it is a very good stock and fundamentals are also very strong. So first discussing the basic details, you can see basically it is engaged in the piping segment, especially PVC pipes and fittings, and it has a very good global presence also. And you can see the expansion is also taking place at a very rapid pace, which already increased in this particular year as well. So stock also recently it has crossed the 1000 rupees level with a very good breakout, and now it has showed some very good consolidation phase also. Okay, so moving towards the basic details like what is the market cap, you can see roughly it is a 1700 crore company, and current price it is around 1300 rupees. High and low, high is around 1440 and low is only 362 rupees. Stock P is around 34.1, book value is around 268. So most importantly ROC, that is return on capital employed followed by return on equity. So those numbers are also decent, 16.5% followed by 13.9% are the ROC as well as ROE. So decent numbers. So recently, as I told, it was improving on regular basis, and as piping segment is one of the crucial sector which has some bright future, so that we have discussed earlier also. So now let's try to do a peer comparison with the major competitors and also the basic financials. Okay, so before moving towards peer comparison, so let us discuss about what are the major pros and cons. So you can see pros wise, the company has reduced the debt and company is expected to give a good quarter result, and company has delivered a good profit growth of 232.48% CAGR over the last 5 years. And major cons are nothing but just the book value followed by whatever the dividend yield that the company is not paying out right now. So few companies pay dividend and few don't pay, so it depends upon them, and few declare dividend and we can't expect a huge exponential growth, but few doesn't declare and we see multi-fold returns also. So it depends upon perspective. So what we are looking for, if you are looking for returns, then obviously you need to wait and watch for dividend, and if you're looking for dividends, so we can't expect any multi-fold returns. Okay, so comparison between all the major players, you can see first comes Astral Poly in the piping segment. So after that we have Prince Pipes, Finolex, Supreme Industries. So P wise you can see it is around 34.14, and roughly all the market leaders have a little higher valuation because of the demand. So if you are completely undervalued, so one such stock is Apollo Pipes. So after that, if we try to compare the ROC with other companies, so you can see ROC is not that great, but all whatever the major leaders are having, so that is also extraordinary. Okay, so next moving towards the financials, you can see operating profit stands around 17.43 crore. That is, if you compare quarter on quarter basis, so little bit of decrement is present, but you can see a double increment is present on previous quarters. After that, profit before tax, as I told, in this particular quarter little decrement is present, but other quarters the company has performed very well. So net profit, you can see 8.75 crore is the net profit that it has reported in the previous quarter. So don't worry about this particular quarter. So overall the company has performed very well, so it requires a little bit of time. So let's go to technical charts. Okay, so first discussing about Apollo Pipes on weekly chart time frame. So whatever the stocks we discuss, you can either do short term trading and even you can carry forward them to long term as well. So depending upon your own research and analysis. So first discussing on weekly chart time frame, you can see the stock has formed a very good chart pattern. So it is now forming a very good consolidation phase. In the last 2 weeks we have seen a very good consolidation. So at any point of time the stock may give a very good breakout and soon it may even cross the 1500 levels also. So how to have a confirmation? So now let's go to daily chart. So there will have a clear view. Okay, so once you see the daily chart time frame, so you can see whenever the stock gives any breakout, you see a very good consolidation phase. So that is, you can see clearly in this particular chart. So earlier also when the stock has given a breakout, it has showed some consolidation phase. So now again it is trying to follow the same pattern, and it has taken a little bit of long time because market was little choppy. So we know in the last few sessions market was in swings, some negative updates were there. Again it has started retracing, so little bit of choppy movement was there. So that's why the time frame of consolidation has increased, but don't worry about that. So whatever the movement that it is expected to give, it may deliver soon depending upon the technical levels. So as I told, if it crosses the 1400 rupees level, so soon it will cross the 1500 and 1600 levels also. So for swing followed by short term, definitely it will be benefited, and for long term also the fundamentals are very clear. So these are the basic details, and this is the first stock that we are going to discuss. So what is the next stock? So quickly let's discuss about that as well. Okay, so moving towards the second stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Aarti Surfactant Share. So this is also a very good stock that I wanted to discuss earlier also. So discussing about the major business, so it is mainly involved in manufacturing of surfactants which are used for serving home and personal care as well as industrial applications, agro and oil segment. So this is the basic overview of the company, and you can see here the company also manufactures over 30 innovative and eco-friendly surfactants, and also creates custom surfactants. It got listed in 2020. Okay, so you can see a very good diversification is also present in the company. So let us discuss few other basic details also. Okay, so many people have a basic doubt what actually is the meaning of surfactants. So you can see whatever we use in detergents, cleaners, soaps, shampoos. So all these products involve the use of surfactants, and we know how much essence is present for those products. So geographical presence, if you see, it has around 83% of revenue in FY20, and international you can see 17% of revenue in FY20. Okay, so very good domestic presence is also present. Okay, so moving towards what is the current market cap of Aarti Surfactants, you can see market cap is around 105 crore, current price is around 1395 rupees, high and low, roughly high was around 1800 rupees and low is only 453 rupees. So stock P is around 49, book value is around 200, and dividend is also provided which is around 0.22%, and ROC and ROE, that is return on capital employed, so that is around 13.2% followed by 15.4%. so very decent numbers. So after that, if we see major pros and cons, so major pros are not present. So cons wise, you can see promoter has decreased a little bit of holdings, so slightly 1% down the promoter holding is. Okay, tax rate seems low and data days have increased, so that is not a major concern. Okay, so if we try to compare with the major peer competitors in the market, so first comes Pidilite Industries, so whose ROC is around 29.42%. So Aarti Surfactant ROC is around 13.23, so decent, so not that great. Okay, so if we discuss the financials of Aarti, you can see on First, if we try to discuss about operating profit, so you can see that is around 11.63 crore, and you can see quarter on quarter basis the stock has completely showed flat results, and it is expected to give some very good result in future also. So profit before tax, that also seems little flat. So earlier quarter we have expected little bit of jump, but again previous quarter it has maintained a flat view. So what are the stocks are discussing? As I told, you can hold for short term and even you can carry forward them to long term as well. So depending upon your view how the stock is. So I'm discussing the basic details. So quickly let's go to technical charts. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see in the weekly chart time frame the stock is near 1395.15 rupees and it was down by almost 2%. So once you see the technical chart, you can see after the stock has given a very good breakout, again now it has retested the region from where it has given a breakout. So what many people do, so people who have an entry at the high level, let's say here, so after the stock has started correcting, so they start exiting here. So that is not the right strategy. So always remember one thing, so when you should have an entry, so when the stock is having the retest. So entry at the retest gives a high accuracy of profitability. So remember that. So since it is at a very good support region, so if it respects whatever the 1350 rupees level, you can expect a very good move in the stock. So make sure you're watching this particular level very carefully. Okay, so this is on weekly chart. So let's go to daily chart. Okay, so in daily chart also you can see the same level which is about to be retest. As I told, 1350 rupees level is going to be very important. So if you want to have a fresh entry in that particular region, you can focus this particular stock. So as I told, retest is very important. So if it touches that particular level, we can expect a sharp recovery, so which you can trade for short term as well. So this is my view. You can do your own analysis before you invest. So money flow index wise, you can see that is near 67. So not completely in overbought region as well. So these are the two stocks for today that we are going to discuss. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.